All right, everybody, how y'all doing? Now I'm just gonna go over this again. I've been reading a lot of messages, a lot of comments on my channel, and basically what's going on is everybody having issues with this Comfest. Y'all said Comfest, 1300 megabit per second on Wi-Fi system here. Now the basic here the thing is everybody don't understand the meaning of us installing the product. So when you open the box, you're gonna get the antenna, which I have it already hooked up already. You're gonna get the antenna. You're gonna go ahead on and get the cable to it, and the instructions as you see in the box. The instructions still in the box. Now, this is one reason why I say keep in mind. I always say read your instructions. Now, half the new generation cannot read because they have illiterate. I'm not picking. That needs to be fixed. Now, I had did a tutorial video of this before. I'll be adding that link in the description below again if some people don't understand what I'm saying. Now, in this tutorial video here, I am installing the driver. The driver is located in the equipment. There's no CDs required, nothing. Once you connect the equipment, you're going to see CD wireless network. And I'm going to open it up so y'all can understand what I'm saying. When you open it up, you're going to have all your drives. You might have a motherboard that holds 8 M.2s. So each of your M.2s is going to have your local C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and etc., etc. When you get to the last letter, and it says this here, I'm highlighting the CD drive L wireless network. That's what you're going to click on to install the drivers of the Comfest 1300 megabit Wi-Fi. And the model of this is model CFW7085AC. Some of y'all probably getting the smaller ones. That's probably Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7. Y'all keep in mind, I don't have none of that. I called 1300 megabits out because my megabit per second from Xfinity is 500 megabits per second. That is only good for streaming, fast downloads, and that's it. I can watch a little 4K stuff without no complications. And I don't have to worry about anything like that. So, I showed you what it is. You're going to click on it. After everything come through, you're going to sit down here and run setup. Anything that say applications, you're going to run that. I'm going to run auto run as an administrator. Yes. And as you see, it is installing and extracting everything I need to do for that. It says in the corner, media register writer detail. That means they don't picked it up. And that is it. Now y'all still see this here. I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi. No connections. Now, before I open it up, I didn't see none of this here. I did not see any networks from anybody that's on Iris Wi-Fi modem. Iris is working with Xfinity. Those are the modems that are compatible with Xfinity. Now I have bought me a wireless router from TP-Link. So I'm going to connect to that. I'm right close to my sister. I'm going to connect to that. That's my router. Connect. You're not going to see anything, so I'm not worrying about it. Once you're done connecting, you're going to hit next. You're going to put all your Wi-Fi credentials in there, hit next. Now it says the thing say show password. Don't show nobody your password. Don't give nobody your IP address or anything like that. The only ones who should know that there is you and your husband. Now, if you have a shady boyfriend that don't love you like you're supposed to love, don't have any access to anything you do. So once you do that, there you're gonna hit yes. I'm not connected to anything. I'm not connected to no public shared Wi-Fi like Starbucks, anything like that. I'm connected home. So everything you do needs to be done at home, and you don't share your network with anybody. After you're done with that, it's gonna say connection secured. Yes, on my cable modem and my Wi-Fi router, I got the best malware protection on that thing, tied up, lined up, and it's good. I got everything where it says don't recognize. So you're not going to recognize my system or anything like that. You can't log on to it. So once you're done logging onto it, you're done. And you could go ahead on and take off with the internet. Voila. Voila. Voila, voila. Good news is, I love reading tech news. Intel processing and series CPU specifications leaked. So that's for I'm gonna let tech testers handle all that. There are people who test hardware. I'm gonna let y'all handle that. So that'll be the end of this video. That's how you connect the Comfest 1300 megabit per second Wi-Fi router to your system. The driver is installed in the system. There's no disk required. Everything's in there. I'll show you how to do it. This is my second or third time showing people who's buying it. And y'all want to give me thumbs down, thumbs up. I don't know what I'm talking about. It didn't work. Bruh, you must have been on drugs because you didn't do the information right. The information is well spot on. It just the common sense level of the person who's trying to install it or understanding what I'm saying. I want to thank y'all for watching this quick tutorial of me installing the Comfest 1300 megabit per second Wi-Fi router. I'm up and running. I'm happy. I took the other one, my ED up 1300 megabits. I switched it into the room. I did upgraded the motherboard on that. Now I moved the AM2 out, put the AM3 Plus in there, so she's running good. She rocking. She doing good. And yes, I love old hardware because I know how to handle it, and it does everything I needed to do. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.